Hello guys, it's me Ayos from Ayos Video House. On today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn your phone into a microphone. Before we go into that, I want to thank you guys for subscribing to my YouTube channel, because my YouTube channel now have 100 subscribers. So to turn your phone into a microphone, you need an app. The name of the app is Sound Amplifier. You can find it in your Play Store or Apple Store. After installing it, then open it. After opening it, you have to grant it some access, and then you can adjust the hair differently, or you can adjust it one by one. You will need to connect to a Bluetooth device, or you need an earpiece, otherwise the app won't work. So I'll connect to a Bluetooth speaker now. Bluetooth speaker. After connecting to it,
Hello guys, it's me Ayos from Ayos Video. So you can edit it by doing this and this. As you can see, the voice I've reduced now. So
by editing it, it will remove all the noise in the sound and it will give you good results. You can also go to the description part for a link to download this app on your Android or Apple phone. You can also go to the description part for the link to my video how I celebrated my first 100 subscribers. So don't forget to like and subscribe.